good to do, squad? It's your boy Jason. Bill here back with another reaction. Now today, man, we got some more camera videos. You can see by the title. Let's get into it, man.
Doorbell cameras are equivalent to a security camera nowadays, so it's no surprise that thousands of homeowners have installed one. However, for many homeowners, those cameras have found the next viral Karen. Starting things off, millions of people rely on Amazon for their shopping needs, but with such a massive company, there are bound to be some hiccups here and there, just like this one woman who claimed a driver stole her package.
Pretended to take a picture. Box was empty. Did not even report that he delivered it.
The doorbell camera picks up the driver leaving the package at her house, snapping a photo and walking away. A routine delivery, nothing out of the ordinary. However, she alleges that the driver staged the delivery, but many commenters had other thoughts, saying if he wanted to steal the package, all he had to do was mark it missing and not even get out of the van. What do you think? Was she trying to finesse Amazon for a refund, or was she just trying to have the next viral video? Or is she telling the truth? Let me know in the comments with your thoughts. Moving into a new house on some acreage shouldn't land yourself really with any problems. But apparently when a Karen is your neighbor, they decide to hop in their car and tell you some important information to what you can and cannot do.
And when you move into your new house, I said your neighbor is a Karen. She come over and said she has important information for us. That's crazy.
For you. Important information for you.
When the owners finally respond, this is what she had to say.
Yeah, I was upstairs opening the window and said hello. She went to tell me you might know.
And you have a package just
Fire.
delivered. You probably don't know because you're new, but there is a fire burning from it time.
What?
It's January 1st to I just wanted to tell you about a fire burning last night.
Man.
The video later received thousands of views,
crazy,
many people
bro.
commenting that she had to drive to their house and claim something in your yard was even bothering her even though it's not walking distance away. It clearly states on multiple sites that fire pits should be placed on a level surface, no less than 10 feet away from any structure. It's fine to be all grown up and enjoy Halloween as much as kids do. However, one woman was clearly unfazed by the common etiquette and went on a candy season rampage with her son. Little did she know that she and her Spider-Man suited accomplice were being caught on camera. Well, multiple cameras to be precise.
Lady steals all candy from multiple houses. Caught on ring and blames her kid one. Caught.
Damn, that's yo, the candy bandit. Yo, candy bandit. That's crazy, bro. Stealing with your son.
And that's just the first of many victims. Take a look.
Hey, that's not how trick-or-treating works, man. Yo, that's crazy. And her fat ass need all that.
Leave some for the other kid.
Yeah, he was just looking for peanut butter M&Ms. That's it.
Yeah, I know. You took the whole bin, though. I saw
Alex.
you on camera.
Alex,
Man.
Thank you.
come on.
Even after being caught, they find their next victim's candy.
Wow. Wow, they hit another house, bro. This is wild. Everybody gonna remember her, bro. Every Halloween. We'll call her the candy bandit. Dang, that's crazy.
The video was later released across multiple platforms where many people came to the conclusion that none of the candy was even for the son. Right now, it's unclear who the woman is and what happened to her, but hopefully she learned an important lesson from all of this. Don't steal candy from other people's homes because not only is it immoral, but there's a chance that those people might own a Ring camera recording the whole ordeal. Next up, we have a cat thief who was caught on a doorbell camera stealing a pensioner's beloved cat named Princess.
Ah, that cat look expensive as hell too, bro. That's one of those expensive cats. Damn, that's why, man. That's crazy.
Their footage was later released online, where the daughter-in-law released a comment stating, "My mother-in-law is so distressed and she can't believe anyone could do such a thing." It was later reported that the Thames Valley Police is investigating the incident, while a search party has been established by a missing pets charity. The charity is now offering a £500 cash reward for the safe return of Princess. A couple has recently had to tape their Equality Yard sign behind their window after one of their neighbors were caught on camera destroying it.
Wow.
Yeah, you're a piece of
That's crazy, bro. Mad.
It was later reported that Sheridan police named the culprit as Crystal Barchak. She was cited for criminal mischief due to tearing up the signs. Denver 7 reached out to Crystal, where they later received a response stating, "I am extremely ashamed of my behavior and very sorry. I had an emotional breakdown over the remembrance of 9/11. Well, having a neighbor like this next crazy Karen must be extremely difficult, especially when she gets mad at your dog barking at her own dog that started barking first.
Is she really screaming? Oh my god. Yo.
Myron, let's go. Come on.
The video was later posted online, where the owner of the house released a comment about the Karen stating, "The police have been contacted and the owner has been informed that there are other complaints filed against her, and that the police are currently investigating." This next Karen wasn't expecting for the mother to react this way after she claims that her son cut her off. Take a look.
What?
Hi.
Oh, Nike.
Go get Nike.
Nike, come here.
Go get her, ma'am. Go get her.
Nike.
Nike.
Hi.
Hi. I'm sorry. I just wanted to let you know that your son is being incredibly rude, and he just completely cut me off and almost caused an accident in front of your house.
Nike, come here.
Wow,
Okay.
bro.
Thank you. Sorry.
Yo.
I just woke up. What do you want me to do? He's 18 years old.
He's an adult,
Okay.
and he literally just cut me off. He's telling me he's parking in front of your house. So I'm going straight, and he cut me off and just got right in front of me, and then was cursing at me out of his window.
Okay.
I apologize that you just spoke up.
Moving forward, we have a Karen who was caught red-handed stealing a package from a doorstep. Unlucky for her, because across from the door was a doorbell camera filming the whole incident.
Oh my god. Athletic porch pirate. A package bandit.
This is what the owner had to say.
All right, story time on the thief neighbor. So it all started when the neighbor with the Ring camera told my nephew to go get an adult from the house, and he went to go get my dad, and the neighbor showed the video of that neighbor stealing the package. My dad went upstairs to her apartment and was like, "You stole a package from the front area of my door." And she was like, "No, I didn't. It's my package. It was delivered to the wrong apartment." But I was like, "Okay." And he left. And in the meantime, my sister was calling the police. And while they were waiting for the police, this neighbor went downstairs and was like, "I'm sorry about the confusion. Here's your package." And my sister was like, "I don't want the package anymore."
When police finally arrived, they were informed of this.
So when the police came, they were like, "It's a good thing you did not take the package back." So they went upstairs, talked to the neighbor, and they were like, "Where's the box that you took?" And she was like, "Oh, I threw it in the trash." And the police was like, "Go get the box." And sure enough, on the box, it had my sister's name and address, the apartment number and everything. And the police did write her up, I guess, and she has court now. And in my opinion, protein powder is not worth the trouble she's in. And my sister's not the only neighbor, obviously. There's multiple people in the building that were robbed by this lady. I don't know what she got out of it, because it was just random items. But I'll keep you guys posted on this story if there's any updates.
A Karen, angry with her apartment complex neighbors, swung what appeared to be a flexible weight at the doorbell camera in a 4 a.m. tirade, which was later shared in what is now a viral video.
Oh yeah, I remember this one. That's crazy, bro. It's crazy. 4 o'clock in the morning, bro. Everybody's asleep. I don't know, bro. I'd be scared of her. Bro. The devil inside. Why I can't? What the hell? What happened to the music? What happened to the
Multiple
sound?
people questioning if the police were involved, and her response was, "Yes, I did. This has been an ongoing thing." It's unclear what clearly happened to this Karen or if she got charged with harassment, but she did end up becoming the next viral Karen. Now we have this Karen, who was going on a daily walk, and one of the passing houses had a doorbell camera recording, and that camera caught her
Yeah, I
doing
seen
this.
one too. How you gonna get mad because somebody got a camera? What the fuck?
Here's a doorbell. Because seriously, if not, I'm gonna have to start slamming on the door.
That's weird.
I'm not okay with that.
Dog. That's who you
No,
go
you know
with?
what? I'm not okay. I'm not okay with that.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah.
You can't face it. You're not gonna drive everyone's crazy.
A video was later released about the
Man, what's up
Karen,
with Karen
stating
saying,
the Karen
damn,
was later arrested and hit with multiple charges. Those charges
Damn
include
cameras,
criminal
man.
mischief, disorderly conduct, destruction of property, and trespassing.
Damn.
Mixing alcohol in a Karen is never a good idea.
That little shit she did, bro, caused all those goddamn charges, bro. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, because most of the time it turns out just like this next Karen.
Hello? It's me!
4 o'clock in the morning.
Answer the door right now. But if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Delilah!
Hey, these windows is
Delilah,
tight, though, bro.
kids!
You can leave messages and shit.
Delilah, you wake up the kids! What do you want my door for? I would like to have my beer back, please. What?
What?
My beer back, please. Nobody go get out of here. Nobody got beer. You took $20. Get the f off my step. I don't even know.
Oh,
George,
yeah, she is.
here. Yeah, George, come over here. George, come here. He started shit. Move, bro. If I push it on my steps.
I'm really gonna slap shit out of you. You're on my. Get out of here.
Get out of here. If I push it on these steps.
Get out of here.
I'm not even. I don't even know the you are. You just came in.
She continues on
I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
arguing with them.
You told my
Drunk as
girlfriend.
hell.
Go get George so I can
At
slap.
4 o'clock in the morning?
Go get George so I can slap the shit. He just touched my too. Oh my.
You're on camera. I hope you know that. So get the out of here if I slap out of you. Banging on my door with my kids sleeping. You're weird as I don't even know you.
I just told
I don't even know you and you're banging on my door for what?
He just told me he's gonna.
Go home. You live like
father and daughter.
I'm gonna slap the shit out of you in 2 seconds if you don't get off my step. Go ahead. Go ahead, because you're on camera. Get off my step.
She is fucking crazy, yo. What's up with these Karens, man? It's 4 o'clock in the morning, and she look like she's drunk as hell. She's talking about George. George haven't pulled up yet, bro. Hold on, let's finish, bro. Let's see what's gonna
And
happen.
father
Get off my
and
step.
son is gonna. With my girlfriend in Texas. Really?
Yep, you're being recorded.
Okay. Where's Nan?
Get off my step.
I'm not even answering. Get off my steps. Get off my steps. You just moved my steps. You just said you
What?
my steps.
Wait,
My
what the
girlfriend
fuck?
in Texas.
Okay, what
Yep,
she
you're being
saying,
recorded.
Okay.
What is she saying?
Nan!
Get off my step.
I'm not even answering. Get off my steps. Get off my steps. You just moved my steps.
Well, you just wanna. She said you just wanna fuck me, bruh. What?
You just said you want.
You just look. You just said you wanna me. Yo, what the hell? She
My steps.
crazy.
I'll sit. I'm having you. I'll leave my door against the sand.
He just wanna.
Okay.
Oh wow, yo, she's crazy, bro. Hey, yo, dang, what's wrong with these Karens, man? Hey, all I gotta say is, it's a whole lot of salt in that water, baby. But hey, man, yo, you know what that fitted to do? You fitted to do me, man, comment below. Break that like button, if you new, hit that notification bell. But hey, it's your boy Jason, Bill.